Okay, welcome guys. What we want to do today is finding the root of a quadratic equation and how to represent it graphically. How to find the root of a quadratic equation. Let's say for example we have a quadratic equation, our x, quadratic equation has two answers. X equals to A and x equals to B. Let's find the root of this quadratic equation. For us to find this now, I'll say x, correct item, x minus a equal to 0, take it to the other side, and x minus b equal to 0. So I can say since both of them are equal to 0, mathematically, x minus a and x minus b is equal to 0. And to solve further now, I can say this multiplied by this, we have x squared, we have minus bx, and then we have this multiplied by this x squared, this multiplied by this, we have minus bx, this multiplied by this, we have minus ax, this multiplied by this, we have plus ab, all equal to 0. So if we have something like this, I can decide to write this as x squared minus into, I want to factor this out. I want to factor one of them out. So we are left with b. We are left with b plus a, and then what is common here? We have x plus ab equal to 0. So with this formula now, you can find any root of a quadratic equation. Okay, I will use the formula and also try to do something for you to see. Let's say we have x equal to 1, and then we have x equal to 2 as the root of a quadratic equation, as an answer to a quadratic equation. We want to find what forms this. I can say x, we put x minus 1 and x, we have x minus 1, and then we have x, let's say here is minus 1, we have x minus 1, we have x plus 1, all equal to 0. And to solve further now, this multiplied by this will give us x squared, this multiplied by this will give us plus x, this multiplied by this will give us minus x, this multiplied by this will give us minus 1 equal to 0. So this and this out, we have x squared minus 1 equal to 0. That simply means that this, looking for this now, this was what gave the rise to this. So, and to present this thing graphically, we can still put it into this equation to get our answer. Let's say the first answer here is A, and let's say this other one is B. Okay, if we want to do it like that now, put it into this equation. We have our x squared, minus into our B, I said it should be minus 1, plus, and then our A, I said it should be 1. And we have x outside, plus we have minus 1, A, which is A times B. So we have 1 times minus 1, all equal to 0. And solving this now, we have x squared, everything here now, minus 1 plus this one is already 0. So we have x minus 0 is out. Then we have this multiplied by this now to give us minus 1. So we have minus 1, all equal to 0. You observe that both answers are all correct. You understand now? So I want to represent this in a graph form. By this now, if I have this now, we have this, we have y-axis, positive y-axis, we have negative y-axis, we have positive x-axis, and we have negative x-axis. And then you observe that our x now is both 1 and minus 1. Both 1 and minus 1. And we know that from here now we have 1, 2, 3, so forth. From here now is 0, our initial, we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on and so forth. So I can say since our x falls in between 1, here can be 1, 2, so on and so forth. I can say our graph will run from this place to this place. You understand? Simple as it is. This is how to find the root of a quadratic equation. If you have the root of any quadratic equation, let's say x equals to, okay, you find this one. Let's say find when x is equals to 2 and x is equal to 3. Find the root and put it in the comment section. I'll be in the comment section waiting for the first person to get the answer. Please, if you are watching us on YouTube, do well to subscribe. If you are watching us on Facebook, do well to follow, do well to share, and do well to comment. On YouTube, remember to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to see our videos whenever we post it. Thank you. Love you guys.